They rule the skies with piercing eyes and razor-sharp talons. But who reigns supreme? The majestic eagle, a symbol of power and freedom, or the silent predator of the night, the owl, with its unmatched hearing and stealth. Today, we dive into the feathery arena for an epic showdown. Eagle versus owl. Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Throughout history, these magnificent birds have captivated our imagination, but their differences are fascinating. We'll be dissecting their hunting styles, incredible adaptations, and even see who would win in a hypothetical battle. So buckle up, animal enthusiasts, because we're about to uncover the secrets of these feathered rulers of the sky. Number 1. Day versus night. Eagles and owls, both magnificent birds of prey, rule their respective domains, day and night. Their adaptations perfectly match their chosen times for hunting. An eagle's vision is incredible, boasting up to 8 times sharper than a human's. They have more cones in their eyes, allowing them to see a wider range of colors, including ultraviolet light. This helps spot prey from vast distances and even detect trails left behind by small mammals. With excellent eyesight and broad daylight for navigation, eagles excel at hunting by soaring high above the ground, scanning the landscape for unsuspecting prey. Their powerful wings and talons allow for swift attacks. Unlike eagles, owls are masters of the night. Their eyes have a high concentration of rods, which are sensitive to low light, granting them exceptional night vision. Owls' feathers have a special structure that dampens sound, allowing them to fly silently. Crucial advantage for stealthy hunting. With exceptional hearing, owls can pinpoint the location of even the faintest sound made by prey, like a scurrying mouse beneath the ground. It's interesting to note that both eagles and owls may be active during dawn and dusk, those twilight hours. Eagles might use the fading light to locate prey they can snatch before complete darkness. Owls, on the other hand, might begin their hunt as the sun sets, taking advantage of the dimming light. Eagles and owls showcase remarkable adaptations that make them perfectly suited for their chosen times to hunt. The eagle's keen eyesight reigns supreme in the bright day, while the owl's stealth and silent flight dominate the nighttime hours. Number 2. Built for battle. The clash between eagle and owl is a battle built not just on strength, but on the very air itself. Both are predators, masters of their respective domains. The eagle ruling the skies by day, the owl the undisputed king of the night. Their differences fuel their potential for conflict, and their built-in weaponry makes them formidable foes. With unparalleled vision, the eagle spots prey from miles away. No twitch of a rodent, no glint of fish in the water escapes its gaze. Designed for tearing flesh, the eagle's beak can deliver a crushing blow, while its razor-sharp talons can snatch and carry prey many times its own weight. The eagle soars effortlessly, utilizing air currents to gain altitude and launch surprise attacks with incredible speed and agility. Unlike the eagle, the owl's feathers have a special adaptation that dampens sound, allowing it to hunt silently and catch even the most alert prey unaware. With exceptional auditory senses, the owl can pinpoint the location of even the faintest rustle through the undergrowth. No squeak escapes its detection. With eyes specifically adapted for low light, the owl sees clearly in the darkness, giving it a distinct advantage in nighttime encounters. Number 3. Size and population. Eagles and owls are both majestic birds of prey, but there are some key differences in their size and population. Generally, eagles are larger than owls. The wingspan of a golden eagle can reach up to 7 feet, while even smaller eagles can still boast an impressive wingspan of 5 to 6 feet. While there are exceptions, owls tend to be smaller than eagles. The great horned owl, a large North American owl, has a wingspan of around 5 feet. The Eurasian eagle owl, one of the biggest owls globally, reaches wingspans up to 6 feet, making it one of the few owls that rival eagles in size. Eagle populations vary depending on the species. Some, like the bald eagle in North America, have seen successful conservation efforts and are making a comeback. Others, like the Philippine eagle, are critically endangered due to habitat loss. Similar to eagles, Owl populations vary by species. The Eurasian eagle owl, with an estimated population of 100,000 to 500,000 individuals, is widespread and considered of least concern on the International Union for Conservation of Nature Red List. However, some owl species face habitat loss and other threats. Number 4. Habitat and diet. Both eagles and owls are apex predators, but their lifestyles differ quite a bit. Let's explore the habitats they call home and what keeps them fed. Eagles are birds of majesty, soaring above a variety of landscapes. They favor wide open spaces with good vantage points for hunting, such as mountains, cliffs, coastlines, and even deserts. Some eagle species prefer forested areas. Eagles are carnivores with a taste for meat. Their diet varies depending on the species and location, but they primarily hunt small mammals like rabbits and hares, fish, birds, and reptiles. Some eagles, like the bald eagle, are skilled fishers, while others, like the golden eagle, snatch prey from the ground with their powerful talons. Unlike the eagles that reign over open spaces, owls are masters of the night and twilight. They are found in a wider range of habitats, from dense forests and woodlands to grasslands, deserts, and even urban areas. They seek areas with good cover for hunting and nesting, often utilizing cavities in trees or cliffs. Owls are also carnivorous, but their nocturnal lifestyle means they hunt a different cast of characters. Their primary prey are small mammals, especially rodents like mice and voles. They also target birds, reptiles, amphibians, and even large insects. Owls have excellent hearing and night vision, allowing them to silently swoop down on unsuspecting prey. Number 5. Supersight. Both eagles and owls are known for their incredible vision, but their strengths lie in different parts of the light spectrum. Let's delve into their supersight abilities. Imagine spotting a rabbit from 2 miles away. That's the kind of feat eagles can pull off. Their vision is about 8 times sharper than a human's, boasting a remarkable 20 by 5 acuity. This means an eagle sees details at 20 feet that we'd only see clearly from 5 feet. Their eyes are packed with photoreceptor cells, giving them a natural zoom lens. They can shift focus rapidly, keeping prey in sharp detail during a high-speed chase. Eagles can see beyond the human range of colors, including ultraviolet light. This helps them distinguish subtle variations in their prey's camouflage. Their eyes are massive, fixed in place, and incredibly stable. While they can't move their eyes like us, their highly flexible necks grant a vast range of vision. While eagles dominate the daytime skies, owls take over after dark. Their vision is optimized for low light conditions, making them silent assassins in the night. Owls have an abundance of light-sensitive rods in their eyes, allowing them to see in near darkness. Their eyes are incredibly sensitive to even the slightest movement. This makes them perfect for tracking small creatures scurrying through the undergrowth. Unlike most birds, owls have eyes that face forward, giving them excellent depth perception, crucial for judging distances in the dark. However, this means they can't move their eyes independently, hence the bobbing of their heads to take in their surroundings. Number 6. Silent versus soaring. The eagle and the owl, both birds of prey, reign supreme in their respective domains, but their hunting styles differ greatly. Let's explore the contrasting themes of silent and soaring as they relate to these magnificent creatures. Eagles are masters of the open sky. Their broad wings and powerful bodies are perfectly adapted for soaring. They can effortlessly ride thermals, rising high above the landscape with minimal effort. This vantage point allows them to scan a vast area for prey, be it a rabbit scurrying through the fields or a fish breaking the water surface. While soaring, eagles are relatively silent. Their broad wings generate minimal whooshing sound, allowing them to maintain the element of surprise. However, they may occasionally screech to communicate with their mates or defend their territory. On the other hand, owls are the undisputed champions of silent flight. Their unique wing feathers have a special comb-like structure that disrupts airflow, muffling the sound of their wings as they beat. This stealth allows them to navigate the darkness undetected by their prey, which often relies on sound for awareness. Owls also have exceptional hearing, thanks to their facial discs that funnel sound towards their ears. This combination of silent flight and keen hearing makes them deadly nocturnal hunters. Number 7. Head-turning trick. The idea of eagles and owls possessing an uncanny ability to rotate their heads a full 270 degrees has been a source of fascination for some time. The truth is a bit more nuanced. Eagles and owls, like most birds, have a limited range of neck movement in their vertebrae. They can turn their heads maybe 27 degrees at most. So, how do they seem to swivel their heads so dramatically? The secret lies in their exceptional neck flexibility. Special adaptations in their muscles and connective tissues allow for a much greater range of motion than their bone structure alone would suggest. By combining this flexibility with the ability to rotate their entire body on a ball and socket joint at the base of their neck, eagles and owls can achieve an almost complete field of view. This allows them to spot prey from nearly any angle without having to move their entire body, which can be crucial for remaining undetected. While the 270 degrees head turn is an exaggeration, their remarkable flexibility is a true evolutionary marvel that gives them a significant advantage in their predatory lifestyles. Number 8. Hearing capacity. While both eagles and owls are known for their keen senses, they excel in different areas. Eagles rely primarily on vision, while owls have developed superior hearing to navigate their nighttime world. Eagles, like many diurnal birds, possess hearing that is comparable to humans. Their hearing range falls within the same frequency spectrum, meaning they can detect sounds from roughly 20 Hz to around 10,000 Hz. Their exceptional eyesight takes center stage in hunting. Soaring high above, eagles can spot potential prey from incredible distances, making their hearing less critical for survival. On the other hand, owls reign supreme in the world of avian acoustics. Their hearing is significantly more acute than humans, particularly at higher frequencies. Some owl species can detect sounds as high as 20,000 Hz, well beyond our range. One key adaptation is their unique facial structure. Unlike symmetrical ears, owls have ears positioned at slightly different heights on their heads. This asymmetry, along with the facial disc that surrounds their eyes, acts like a natural satellite dish, funneling and pinpointing sounds with incredible precision. Owls rely heavily on their hearing to locate prey in low light conditions. They can detect the faintest rustle of a vole in the undergrowth or the squeak of a mouse hidden beneath the snow. While both eagles and owls are exceptional predators, their dominance lies in different sensory realms. Eagles soar with exceptional vision, while owls rule the night with their remarkable hearing. Number 9. Cultural impact. Eagles and owls, with their majestic presence and unique abilities, have captivated human imaginations for millennia. Across cultures, they've transcended being mere birds, becoming powerful symbols woven into mythology, folklore, and art. Let's explore the enduring cultural impact of these avian superstars. Soaring through the skies with keen eyesight, the eagle has become a universal symbol of strength, power, and dominion. Many cultures associated eagles with deities or divine figures. The Romans linked them to Jupiter, the king of gods, while the Aztecs saw them as messengers of the sun god. Eagles continue to be national emblems for many countries, representing their strength and sovereignty. Owls, with their silent flight and otherworldly vision, have garnered a more enigmatic reputation. In many cultures, they were seen as guardians of knowledge and secrets. The Greeks associated them with Athena, the goddess of wisdom. Native American tribes revered owls for their nighttime prowess, considering them harbingers of knowledge and protectors of the spirit world. Number 10. Apex and endangered. Eagles and owls are both majestic birds occupying the top of the food chain in their respective habitats. They are undeniably apex predators, with keen eyesight, sharp talons, and powerful wings allowing them to dominate their ecosystems. However, despite their prowess, many eagle and owl species face threats that push them towards endangerment. Destruction of forests and natural areas reduces their hunting grounds and nesting sites. Human encroachment disrupts their breeding cycles and food availability. Pesticides and other contaminants can accumulate in the bodies of eagles and owls, affecting their reproduction and overall health. In some cases, Eagles and owls are seen as threats to livestock or hunted for trophies. This direct conflict further reduces their populations. Shifting weather patterns and rising temperatures can disrupt prey availability and migration routes, impacting eagle and owl populations. And finally, number 11, conservation efforts. Conservation organizations work to preserve natural areas and create wildlife corridors for eagles and owls. Educating the public about the importance of these birds and the threats they face is crucial for garnering support for conservation efforts. For critically endangered species, breeding programs help maintain populations and reintroduce individuals back into the wild. By working together, we can ensure that these apex predators continue to soar through our skies for generations to come. So, who takes the crown, the eagle or the owl? The truth is, both birds are perfectly adapted for their environments and excel in their own way. Eagles dominate the day with their sharp vision and powerful bodies, while owls earn the night with their silent flight and exceptional hearing. What did you find most surprising about these amazing birds? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoy this epic clash, be sure to like and subscribe for more animal showdowns.